Hello, Excellians! Here's how to create a data entry form in Excel. First, open the VBA window and insert a new user form. Resize it by dragging the tiny rectangles. Change the name of the user form and give it a relevant caption. Then, insert a label from the toolbox and update the font size. Next, copy the label and paste it as many times as to match the number of data fields you need and align them properly. After that, change the captions of the labels matching your data fields. Now insert a text box from the same toolbox, rename it according to the data field, and change the font size. Then copy the text box and paste it for all data fields except gender. Align them to each other and rename each of them accordingly, but you can't use any space in the names. Next, insert two option buttons instead of text boxes for the gender field. Rename them along with changing the captions to male and female. After that, insert three command buttons to submit, reset, and exit the data entry form. Rename them, change the captions, and increase the font size. Now insert a new module. Then create a subroutine to display the user form. Next, make a sub-procedure which will add the user form entries to the worksheet. You can get the code from the video description. After that, create another sub-procedure to reset the data entry form so that you can re-enter data after submitting one. Now right-click on the user form and select View Code or double-click on it. Then create a sub-procedure to check if all of the fields in the form are filled up before submission. Otherwise, the sub-procedure will keep the Submit button disabled. And for that, you need to trigger the sub-procedure by putting it within the change event for each of the text boxes and option buttons. Next, insert the key press event for the phone number field to prevent users from entering anything other than numbers. You can also check out a video linked in the description on how to format text box phone numbers in Excel. After that, insert the click events for the command buttons and call the sub-procedures that we created earlier in the code module. Now go to the Developer tab and insert a Form Control button. Then rename it and assign the user form displaying sub-procedure that we made earlier. Next, click on the button to see the final data entry form. After that, fill up the form and check if the command buttons are working properly. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching. See you soon.